Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl again, CUIJ. Welcome back, guys. If you're new here, my name is CY. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Canada. Okay guys, so this is just a vlog. I'm going to continue this vlogging for the rest of the week, and then I'll upload it whenever I upload it. God help me. So today I just want to quickly make like a quick orange juice for my kids because they've been a little bit sick, so I just want to make something that would help them in a way, because if I do the ginger shot they just won't take it. So let me give them orange juice. Hopefully it does something and help their immune system. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's yet another day, another vlog. Today my Wunyedi, that's my co-wife, she told me that she got some really good deals of stuffs for me. She got some boxes of tomatoes at a really nice price. So I'm just heading to her place to get them. So when I get to her place, I'll show you guys the boxes of tomatoes that I got, and just see you guys when I get there. Good morning to you all. It's such a sunny, cold morning, if that makes sense. Like, the sun is out, but the weather is so cold. We are supposed to still be in summer, but I don't know what's happening. I feel like fall is gradually crawling to us right now. So guys, yesterday when I came back, I couldn't show you guys like the tomatoes I went to pick up from my sister's place. Let me just call her that, because if I keep on saying Wunyedi, you guys might not understand. So we are co-wives. We got married in the same family, so we call ourselves Wunyedi, like the wife of my husband. That's how we call ourselves in our place. So she said she actually got really good deals of tomatoes for $9.99 at Sobeys, and then I asked her to get 2 boxes for me. I'm going to be showing you guys those boxes right now. So guys, this is the box. It's such a huge box for $9.99. So one box is $9.99. These tomatoes are so good. Look, very firm and very red. See, the box is really deep. The box is, oh my god. Like when I was coming back yesterday, people who saw me carrying these tomatoes, those whites, white people, I don't think if they eat tomatoes the way we do, because they don't mix stew the way we do, they were like, what are you using all these boxes of tomatoes for? So I told them I'm having a party. Because what will I explain? So this is the box. This is such a good deal. I'm so proud of myself. I'm so happy she called me and she told me about it. Okay guys, so that's my tomatoes. Yeah, it's just past 7 this morning. My kids are still in bed, but I'm going to wake them up now because they need to get ready for school. Not school, they're going to daycare. I resume work by 9 and I work from home, so Hobby will drop them off before going to the office, and then they will just, let me just go get them. Okay, I don't know if I should take you guys to their room while they are sleeping. Jackson is awake. Hey, mommy, I had to cover his coat with all of this because weather is so cold. Trying to reduce the air entering his coat. Good morning, boy. Did you sleep well? Yes. Hi, mommy. Celine. Oh, she's still sleeping. Let me not disturb her. Let me dress Jaxel up first. When I'm done, I'll wake her up. So we are taking the kids to daycare now. Jaxel, can you sit? Yeah. So I'll be ending this vlog here. Thank you for your support on my channel, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye. Babe, say bye bye to my friends. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Please ignore my voice. I'm having flu, so my voice is kind of all over the place, and then I might be running out of breath as I'm talking because I'm so tired. It's just that I want to show you guys what I got off Amazon. So the weather has been changing it for us, and in our apartments, before they turn on the heater, I think during winter, they don't turn on the heater until winter, and the weather is so cold. Like, the house is really so cold. I have to cover myself with different duvet for me to sleep. So my husband and I decided to get this heaters. We bought like 2 on Amazon, so we can keep one in the room for the kids and one in our room. So guys, I want to unbox this heater and let's see. The reviews on this item is really good, up to 5 stars. That's how we got them. So unbox with me. You guys know that I have 2 children, right? So if you hear noises, just know they're coming from my kids. I can't throw them away, can I? No. Amazon and big boxes are like 5 and 6. Whoa! So it says ceramic tower space heater. I don't know if you guys can see it clearly. It does have a remote control as we saw online. So well, let me just open and see. Yeah, I might end up tearing this thing. Whoa. Okay. So this is the manual. I don't think we're going to use this heater today because the weather is back to normal. We were really so cold when we ordered it yesterday. We were freezing. But I think the weather looks good today. Not I think. The weather looks good today. So the remote is right here. So I will turn it on and let's practice. It's the same thing. This other one is the same thing. It's just 2 of the same item. So there's no point for me to unbox this one. There's no point. I just want to show you guys how this works. I have a socket closed. I don't know if I can place this on my chair while I turn it on. But let me see. Oh, and it's 360. This is good. It's actually heating so fast that usually some will just like bring out fan, but this is good. It's really hot. Are you seeing, guys? It's rotating. So it has the space for, this is for rotating. You increase, you reduce, and I think this is for timing. Maybe you just want it to work for some hours and then off, which is really good. So we can time it for the kids room, so their room is not too hot. This is good. Okay. Let me just allow it rotate back to, it will just align symmetrically before I turn it off.
It's good, mommy.
So guys, thank you so much for unboxing with me. I will see you guys tomorrow. Yes, I forgot to tell you guys, I'm done with my tomatoes. I'll show you guys what I did with my tomatoes tomorrow and how I was able to preserve it. I'll show it to you guys tomorrow. See you. Bye. Good night.